Jewelry just comes in on days where I just want to look a little bit extra. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome back to my channel. And of course, I love to see you come back and watch my videos, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. Okay, so today's video is actually going to be really simple, but at the same time, at the end of the video, I'm actually going to reveal something that is literally happening in my life. What was I saying? I lost my train of words. Okay, so this video is actually like a jewelry haul where you actually can buy inexpensive jewelry, but at the same time the jewelry actually will look really like expensive on you. It makes you look sexy. This is because not a lot of us can actually spend about like $40 or $50 on an expensive necklace. Have the feel and the look of the expensive, but it's inexpensive. Jewelry just comes in on days where I just want to look a little bit extra. So let's get this video started right now, guys. When it comes to inexpensive jewelry, you gotta be very careful when you're going to wear them. You're not supposed to spray perfume or any chemical base on the pieces, or else it will definitely ruin it because it's inexpensive. Try to avoid it because chemicals will not match with the kind of metals that they actually use to create inexpensive jewelry. Okay, so the first piece, and I believe you guys have actually seen me wear this piece in a couple of my videos and a couple of my Instagram posts. So the reason why I actually bought this piece of set was actually inspired of me love dream catchers at that point of time. So you guys know at the dream catchers they have like the feathers coming down. I just wanted to get like a jewelry piece set just to commemorate the love that I had for Dreamcatcher. The next piece I absolutely love, and this is a 3-piece set. So you wear it like this, as you can see. It's 1, 2, 3, and you wear it. So you don't only like wear one at your neck, it just gives you layers and it just goes all the way down. It makes you look even more beautiful, and of course it makes you look absolutely classy. So the next piece of jewelry that I got is like a very beautiful peacock. I just something about this peacock that actually drew me in to actually buy it. But one thing about this is the chain is actually very long, but you can actually shorten it. You can just take out the metals, shorten it and make it into your length. It just overall just gives you that very feminine, beautiful vibe, especially the peacock because it has like green feathers and it has like the diamonds on it. It's just beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. So moving on to the next one is, I got this piece of set is because at the bottom you have like a horseshoe. It's because it represents the year that I was born in. That was in the year of a horse. So I really loved the way how they did it, and then they brought it up with this beautiful like flower pendant. And when you wear it on anything with a 3-piece necklace, like 1 or 2 and 3, and you wear it, it will just make you look really beautiful and really like as if you bought this necklace for like $50. Honestly, this is just beautiful. So the next one that I actually got from Aliexpress is this bunch of rings. I'm going to show you guys how if you want to take Instagram photos to hold like a particular product and you have the rings going around. It's just absolutely beautiful. Or if you're a type of person that actually love rings, like you love having lots and lots of rings and going out, it does give you a different feel to your hands. It makes your hands even more sexier. When you show off your hands, when you talk, it makes it look a little bit more sexier. And then the next one that I actually bought was this bunch of... The reason why I got inspired to buy this like hair accessories is I saw Ariana Grande. Some live show that she did. So it's just beautiful. That's the reason why I bought it. Okay, and then the next piece is this absolutely cute. Like I said, I love Dreamcatcher. I'm into Dreamcatcher, and you guys know that I have a belly piercing. So I got a belly piercing which is out of a Dreamcatcher, which is absolutely adorable. I have bought a lot of belly studs, but I've not seen something as cute as this, guys. Okay, as cute as this, I've not. It's just too much to handle, guys. Okay, so the last piece that I'm going to talk to you about is something that I actually did a mistake about when I wore this piece of jewelry. So this is actually one of my favorite piece of jewelry, which I actually posted up in Instagram when I was going out with my company dinner. I wore this piece of jewelry and I like happily sprayed my perfume, like spraying my setting spray all over my face. It really had like that gold look to it. So when I came back on, it had like that rusted look. So due to the perfume chemicals, this inexpensive jewelry, it actually like costed a little bit of like that rusted look. It's not rusty, but it gives you like, instead of a gold, it gives you like a copper finish, you know. This is the first time I'm actually doing a jewelry haul. I'm so sorry if, let's say, my description or the way I actually spoke about the jewelry was wrong, or anything that I said that didn't make sense to you. Is because this is the first time that I'm actually doing it, and this is like literally like based of thoughts that of how I feel about the jewelry and how when I wear it, what has happened, and how I feel about individual pieces. I truly hope you guys like this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So let's go back. Let's just go back and just relax and let's talk about what's happening in my life right now. So why I've not been very active in Instagram and in YouTube is because I have got my house. If you guys are following me in Instagram, you guys would have already known that I've actually got my house keys. I've literally like waited like almost 4 years to get this place. Me and my hubby have finally got the house, so there's super overwhelming. There's so many things that I have to do, like the renovations and moving in and everything, so it's super overwhelming for me right now. So that's the reason why that I have not like posted a lot in Instagram or in YouTube lately. So that is the most exciting thing that is happening in my life right now. So I'm gonna have my own studio. I have like my own studio. So I'm staying 1 year away from my husband till we get the house. It took a lot of commitment being married. It took a lot of commitment staying apart. So yeah, and now we finally get the house. I just can't wait to live with him and, you know, and start our life as literally as married couples. So I just can't wait for that. So that is the most exciting thing that is going to happen. And of course I would definitely show you guys like a house tour. And if you guys would like to have like the series on my channel of how I actually do like certain decorations, DIYs, or renovations and stuff like that, do let me know in the comments down below. That's the reason why I want to get this video up as soon as possible, so that I can get you guys suggestions. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.